Hi everyone, I've got some info for you about our new exciting Paeds, BB and Low Vision conference. If you're really worried about seeing kids and infants in your practice, have a look at this next video I've made and all the information is in there for you. Good.
And there, in its natural habitat, is the most frightening and intimidating of all optometric patients, the human infant. These patients can only be approached with extreme caution and with a great amount of trepidation. Great care is needed when approaching these patients.
Help! What am I going to do now?
Hi everyone, how's it going? Are you bored with Better 1 or 2 optometry? Yeah. Do you want to learn something new, have some fun, and get 42 CPD points, including FX? So why don't you join us for our Paeds, BV and Low Vision virtual conference, which is launching on the 12th of June. You can even stand the chance to win an iPad. It's fantastic. All our stuff's online, so you just need to log onto the platform and you can access 17 hours of lectures, watch them at your own pace, in your own space, no need for boring Zoom lectures. You can wear pants or not, it doesn't matter. Access them and you can do that for 2 months afterwards. It's a whole pile of topics and we've got some really cool stuff, including top local and international presenters, and they're going to be speaking about stuff like all the latest amblyopia research, tips and tricks for handling kids, including those horrible infants and really tough ones like the autistic guys. What about pediatric low vision? Are you thinking about that? There's an app for that, and Dr. Lou Lipschutz will explain that to you. What are you doing about malingering? You're going to be able to catch those guys out. We've got the most up-to-date treatment on ADHD, squirrel. And we've got interesting stuff about binocular vision, conundrums, grand rounds, how to market your practice safely, and using the latest technology. We also have our local pediatric psychologist who's going to be talking about the dark side of the internet and social media. Also, how to keep your kiddies safe online, because there's a tough amount of stuff happening about that, right? Anyway, what are you going to do when the banana hits the fan and you have pediatric ocular emergencies? We've got you covered. We're going to do myopia control, really cool stuff about AMD and how the diet relates to that, which is all new. And that's not all. Besides those 17 hours of online lectures, you also get another 17 CPD for accessing our fantastic online articles that you can read at your own time and work through. But that's not all, because when all of this drama and the COVID is over, we're going to have our live workshops in person with our international and local experts to guide you through the way. In Johannesburg, you're going to have 2 days of opportunity to meet with your colleagues, chat, catch up, visit the exhibitions with suppliers that have got the latest and greatest in Paeds, BB and Low Vision tools and kits and toys, and you get to chat to the local and the international presenters and pick their brains a little bit. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us now. Register today on my website www.paediatricacademy.co.za, or you can call me on 082 338 3243. I'll give you more information. So join us to boldly go beyond 2021. Do it now. Yes, now.